So I've just spent the last 2 weeks at Nalu, which is a remote sheep station on the southern tip of the Ningaloo Reef, about 1,000 kilometres north of Perth. Up here there's no phone, there's no internet, no shops, but plenty of wild beauty in an austere, dry, sandy sort of way. It's sort of where the desert meets the ocean. It's also the home of one of the world's best windsurfing clubs. The Indian Ocean swells roll unhindered across the ocean and peel off massive waves against the coral reef. And every afternoon, the sea breeze comes in from the southwest, howling at 20 plus knots and creates absolutely classic wave-sail conditions. I come up here every year with a bunch of mates. We come up here to challenge and to thrill, riding the biggest waves in the world. But we also come up here for a reason that's more subtle and probably more significant. For me, it's my once-a-year opportunity to push the reset button on life, to find a new daily rhythm away from a busy home and work life that all of us seem to have. Every morning we get up, we repair gear that might have been broken the day before, we actually go snorkeling, do a walk on the beach, have coffee, drink coffee and read our books. And then in the afternoon when the wind comes in, we go about 1 kilometre up the coast, rig up our gear, ready to test our body's limits against the waves, the swells, the wind that comes in every day. Amazing thrill, charging off the top of big waves. And then in the evening, we come home, we recount our stories of adventures around the fire, solve the world's problems, and the next day, we do the same thing. And the day after that, we do the same thing again. And slowly, I find myself stop needing to be busy. I find I settle into a new rhythm. And this new rhythm of existence is pretty simple, but it makes me feel more energetic, it makes me feel more alive, and really starts me to be more creative. And when I come home, I find I've got more energy, I'm more focused, I've got more to give to others around me, and I feel like I'm a better person. So, what do you do to push the reset button? Have a think about it.